Hello everyone, welcome to Amarjyoti's Crochet World. Today I am here once again with my new tutorial. Today I am going to teach you one new stitch. It's not a new stitch actually, but it's a kind of embroidery that we can do on already made crocheted work. Like this is a piece of work that I have made. On this stitch, if you want to make an embroidery like chain stitches, that can be done with the help of a crochet hook and the yarn itself. Okay, the impact that comes that looks on the piece of work, it looks like a embroidery, a chain embroidery. Okay, so first of all you have to have a crocheted piece of work. I have crocheted in a half double crochet stitch, and then I made it just as a sample to show you. Now make a slip knot. Now leave your slip knot aside. This is the right side of your work, this is the wrong side of your work. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just inserting my hook to any of the place where you want to make this stitch. Go at the back side or the wrong side, keep the slip knot, pull the slip knot through the crochet hook and bring it to front. Right, so from here we are going to work on the front side, but the yarn will remain at the back side. This is a cobbler stitch. It's like just like a cobbler stitches the shoes, so that is why it's named like a cobbler stitch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the slip knot as loose. Now go in the next stitch at the back side of the work, pull the yarn to the front. Now you have two loops in the hook, keep the hook there's loops loose and make a slip stitch. Okay, so a chain is created. Again go in the next stitch, insert the hook, yarn over and pull the yarn and make a chain stitch. So like that you will keep the working yarn at the back side or the wrong side of the work, and the right side will be like an embroidery of chain stitches as you do with the needle. Okay, so from the back side what we are going to do is pulling the yarn, just a second, inserting the hook to the back side, and from the back side pulling the yarn and then making a slip stitch like that. In this way you can go any of the side. It doesn't matter that you are working in a straight line or you are working giving it a wavy look like that. You can go to the any side of the work. This is usually done to give an embroidery look to your crocheted work. Okay, like this. Here the yarn or the hook size is relative. Whatever you want to use the yarn for embroidering or for making the cobbler stitch, the relative crochet hook size should be there. So now what you are going to do is how you will end this work. If you want to end this work over here, go at the back side, pull the yarn, make a slip stitch, again go in the same size in the same place, and then again make a slip stitch and cut the yarn. Okay, so this way it is secured. So I'm going to cutting the yarn. So pull it and then from the back side pull the loop at the back, so it's neat and clean. From the back side you can hide the tails inside the work. Right, so this is your cobbler stitch. It exactly looks like the chain stitches which we do with our embroidery work. It's like an embroidery that is done with a crochet hook and a yarn. Okay, so hope you like my video on making this beautiful and very easy stitch, cobbler stitch, which looks like an embroidery. One tip I'll give for you, that while making this stitch, do not pull the working loop so tightly, otherwise your work will get a tension like this. It will get like this, it will get stretched up. Okay, so keep it a normal, a loose one, so that it keep your work in a proper space, that shape. Right, so hope you like it. They're very easy, so please give it a thumbs up, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and do write in the comment section how you like my videos. If you have any suggestions, your suggestions are always welcome, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for each and every time I'll upload anything new. And thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you once again. God bless you.